Hi, welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I will show you how to reply on X. Let's open X application on my phone, and now I want to go to specific post that I want to reply to. Click on it to open it, and at the bottom side of my screen I have to tap this field, this message box, where I can basically type my message. So let me type something. And now also you can add some multimedia like photos or videos, GIFs, and location. And basically when you are ready to send your reply, you have to press this blue button reply, and your response will appear under the original post as a part of conversation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.